I am frying some potatoes. I cut them in cubes. And I'm gonna be frying some eggplants. See how nice my potato is, golden color. And in a little bit I show you the chopped eggplants and small pieces. I soak them 30 minutes in salt water and I keep mix them because I don't want them to get brown. I'm gonna cut some chilies. I have some garlic and I'm gonna be making a sauce. See the golden color? It's so beautiful. After this, I'm gonna start the sauce and I'm gonna show you. For my sauce, I'm use 2 cans of chopped tomatoes, balsamic vinaigrette, salt, pepper, pepper flake, chili pepper flake, a little bit sugar, olive oil, a hot chili, jalapeno, or whatever pepper you want. If you want sweet pepper, go with sweet pepper. Garlic. Garlic is about 4 cloves of garlic. Olive oil, a little bit. Add the garlic. It smells so good. This is the chili, but you can use sweet pepper. With the hot chili pepper and the garlic together, the fragrance is amazing. I add the chili flakes. I like a tablespoon of chili flake. I like spice food, but if you don't eat spice food, you don't need to put all this stuff. You put the sweet pepper, you put like black pepper, and that's enough for the people who don't like spice. I'm gonna add the tomato. A little bit salt. A teaspoon of salt. Pepper, like a teaspoon of pepper. This is like a teaspoon of sugar. Balsamic vinaigrette. Like a 2 tablespoons. Let that cook for about 9 to 10 minutes. Sauce is done. We're gonna stir everything together, like for 2 minutes. And I show you when everything is done. So everything is done. How beautiful they look. I mixed the potato, the eggplant, the sauce together. I chop some parsley. I put in the top. You can have this like a side dish, or vegetarian dish, or with meat, or the way you want to eat.